Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome to this quick guide on how to create a Vimeo account in 2025. If you're a videographer, filmmaker, or just someone eager to share your videos online, Vimeo is an excellent platform with high-quality features. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, so you can get started in no time. First things first, grab your device and open your preferred web browser. Head over to the official Vimeo website by typing vimeo.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Create Account button. It's usually right at the top of the page. Click on that and you'll be taken to a registration form. Now, for step 2, you'll need to enter your details. Start by providing a valid email address. Make sure it's one you check regularly because Vimeo will send a verification link. Next, create a strong password, at least 8 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols for security. If prompted, you might also add your name or choose a username. This helps personalize your profile. After filling in the required fields, check the box to agree to Vimeo's terms of service. Always a good idea to skim through them quickly. Hit the Sign Up button, and you'll receive an email verification. Open your email inbox, find the message from Vimeo, and click the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, you can log in and start exploring. Don't forget, in 2025, Vimeo might have new features like enhanced AI tools for video editing, so take a moment to customize your profile and upload your first video. If you run into any issues, Vimeo's help section is super helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.